What's going on, movement? Just checking in with y'all. Just checking in, see how everything's going. See if you conquer what you need to conquer. See if you get what you're supposed to get in. It's a motivation from me to you. Yes. It's my second session of this chest routine. Switch it up for the greater. And I paid for it later. But guess what? I loved it. Instead of doing my normal jump ropes first, I switched up with some burpees, running, tap my stomach, drop down, did 4 Navy SEALs, sorry. Then I did 7 full form. Then I proceeded my jumps. Then I switched up. I grabbed my landmine bar with my back extension piece on there. Forgot what it's called. So I did like a front squat slash Viking press, alternated on both shoulders. I'll show the sauce in a little bit. Got me exhausted, right? Hopped on 225, did that for 5. Repeated that session. Started off with the burpees again. Instead of going 4, I went 3. Did that, 225 again, did that for 5. Feeling good. I sat my 275 initially, so I was pump it up. I was feeling good. Slightly kind of tired. Stepped to 295. Did my routine again. Rested about maybe 2 minutes. I lifted it up. I knew right then I was toast. So that's a good thing that I was toast. So I know that I switched it up. And my body's been hungry to adapt to it. Doing some more intermission right now. Keep this one brief, but I will check back in when I get done with this intermission. That's both worlds. Can't complain with cardio. So many forms of it, I can pick one. It's like a buffet. It's like a buffet, a good buffet for the body. We'll report back later on to wrap this up. Y'all keep going strong. Somebody need to hear this. For you in the back too. Keep on going. I see you. And if you don't see me, holler at me. Put something in the comment so we can link up, so we can work on this together. To be continued. Oh yeah, intermission is still on the mission. Just switched up a little bit. Still going, different goal. You're allowed to modify your goal. So, in the battle of the hunt, I decided to modify it. Nothing wrong with doing that. Keeps you going, keeps you motivated. At least me it does. Let me know if you decide to switch things up every once in a while. Not too much. Small little tweak here and there. Let me know what it does to your performance, to your goals. Type in performance or goals if it makes a modification in there. Or if not, continue to see what I do next in this one right here. This one might be a wrap, or I might add to it. When you're the director, you can always add to the film. Your film. The film that was given to you. The film that hopefully you receive. And put use wherever you can. Let's stay focused. Intermission still going on. Let's go. Grinding force. Can you say the same? If not, get up out our lane. Okay. I want to thank you, kings and queens, for coming out. I want to thank you, new viewers and subscribers. coming out. Like, comment, subscribe. Even let me know what you dislike. Cause I'm trying to build this so we can all grow off this with that ladder drop. Hope that you, Kings of Cleveland, have a good rest of the day, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the night, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the week, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the month, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the year, wherever you're at. Focus, reset, attack. Let's do this again. Roll it.
I mean, no, really, hold up. Hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we ain't letting up. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? If she get up in your face, tell her we ain't playing. I mean, hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we gon' show 'em who. Hold up, we ain't playing. If they get up in your face, man, tell her we ain't stopping. Hold up.